new wax from Sexy Smooth Wax, Golden Allure. And when I tell y'all, it was the best wax I've ever worked with since I've been in the industry. It was so smooth, so soft, and I only had to lay once, baby, once. Where you getting that from? Sexy Smooth Wax? Yeah, I know. Heard they was looking for me. Here I go in my cash voice. But anywho. So y'all listen, I cleaned it off or whatever, and then I put my cornstarch on it because you already know I gotta see them hairs because I need to know where I'm laying and slaying. So I laid it. I'm talking about laid that Golden Allure. You see that? That was a good lay. And you know me, my client was distracting me because she was on the phone giving it up. Oh my God, and I ain't even gonna tell her business, but it was crazy. When I tell y'all they was over there giving it up, they was giving it up. I was all in their business. But you know when you come in and get swayed by a gym baby, you could talk about anything. I promise you, it never, ever, ever leave my walls. But anywho, yes, so yes, y'all see that was only one day, and then that's my oil to clean it up. Yes, clean it up, whatever. Don't mind her tattoos and stuff. But yes, that's me doing everything I need to do, and